In this video, we'll show you the recommended daily cleaning routine for your PUQ press. The tools you need during the following instructions are a brush and a dry cloth. Start with pressing the Set button. The Tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Clean the Tamper base with a dry brush or cloth. Press the Set button once. The Tamper base goes back up. Clean the sensor with a dry brush and wipe down the lower clamp and ground basket. Let's tamp.